When I think of Rusty Bishop, I think of a few things that really are outstanding. Number one, he's a tremendous leader in the automotive aftermarket. Number two, integrity. Rusty has the integrity and always has in the positions he's held in the aftermarket. And number three, a friend. And that's probably the most special one.
Rusty has given a lot of time and effort to a lot of different parts of the industry. He's worked with the associations, he's worked with charity foundations, he's done a lot of different things. So he's really a person that has contributed a great deal to the industry outside of just his job and his company.
Rusty is one of those people that made what you see today at Auto Care, Apex, AWDA a reality.
His history goes all the way back to the founding of Federated. In fact, I don't know how many people know this, but Rusty designed the Federated logo for Federated Auto Parts. That's how far he goes back.
Another story I heard was Rusty said, "How about this?" And he drew out the Federated logo, and that was the beginning.
He spent his entire life trying to make it a better place for people. He spent his entire life trying to set the foundation for the future.
I know everybody knows Rusty, but yet he does so much that you're not aware that he's doing.
He took over as chairman for the University Aftermarket Foundation about 10 years ago. The foundation would not be where it is today without this excellent leadership that Rusty provided. And he wasn't doing that for his group or for him personally. He was doing that for the better of the aftermarket. And I would say in the 40 years that I've known Rusty, he's always operated in the best interest of the entire aftermarket.
He has grown into a mentor, an advisor. He has been a critic, but above all else at this point, I consider Rusty Bishop a friend.
There was one time where we were at an event where we were going to let customers drive race cars around the track, and so Rusty asked if he could try it first.
In fact, it was the last year they had the Federated race at Nashville Super Speedway. And we had an incredible opportunity to drive a car around the track and also to ride with Kenny Schrader around the track too.
And Rusty kind of had a reputation of driving fairly quickly even in his own car, and so he took off in the race car, and we're waiting and waiting.
I heard and saw the results of Rusty meeting the wall with one of the cars.
So that kind of ended that event, but it was something that we teased him about well, we still tease him about it.
Rusty, I know that you're going into retirement in very well-deserved time in your life. Congratulations on this award, but don't think that you're ever going to get away from the rest of us.
I congratulate Rusty on a tremendous career, and I wish him the very best in his retirement. Still hope to see him out here in Las Vegas every once in a while, so don't forget us, Rusty.